Cottage guy here, here's a nice trick. Your glass is dirty from the smoke. You can clean this in, what, a minute. But you got to do it when it's cold, and only when it's cold. So we just got here, and I just realized it's dirty, so wet paper towel. A little bit of ash. And it comes off like butter. The ash is kind of like carbon and kind of creates a sandpaper grit. But for whatever reason, it just works like magic. No chemicals, no scraper, just a little bit of water, a little bit of ash. That's a half a paper towel. Now the other half. And I'm good for the week. Super clean. Nice and squeaky clean. Let's have a look. Beautiful.